So you guys have segued into the next question, which is what do you do with the data? It sounds like a lot of us are saying we haven't done much with it yet, but what sorts of programs or ideas do you have at the forefront of how you want to use that data and where you think we're going to be able to go with all of this data?
Well, I think one thing we have to look at is how to create knowledge management systems within an organization that utilize the data, stack the data, make it available so that it makes sense, right? So when you talk about the internal resume, that's the knowledge management system, right? Understanding where the skills are, where the competencies are within the organization and who owns those, so that you can start to look at the organization holistically and then also pare it down individually where the strengths are. I also think it's important, flip back to goal setting for just a moment, one thing that I'm not hearing is personal goal. You know, one thing I've learned through the years working with folks, being in leadership, asking those personal goals goes a long way to building that relationship. And then you can tie the business goals to the personal goals. And now they start to make sense of those individuals. So not just looking at it from a business perspective, but how is it going to impact them from a personal perspective and really make that holistic. But the data piece around creating the knowledge management system is so important so that you know where's the IP, where's the internal IP within my organization and how can I get it? I have this project that I'm going to be working on, how do I get to it? And there's knowledge management systems out there that are available that have the framework already set up for you. And I see somebody nodding their head back there. I don't know if that's what you do, but